We have a really nice rosemary plant here, and I'm going to harvest some of this to dry, but actually rosemary is one of the few herbs that stays evergreen year-round. So you can harvest fresh rosemary any time of year. But if you don't want to have to run out to the garden in the snow or the cold, you can dry this. And the way we're going to do it is we're just going to cut a few sprigs. And then we're going to bundle them together like this and get a rubber band. Rubber bands are good because they contract as the stems contract when they dry. Otherwise, you're going to have little fallen branches all over everywhere. And then you're going to hang this up in an attic or dark closet. The trick is to do it in a hot, dry place. And then it will, in a few weeks or less, it will be ready to go to the next step. Because rosemary is such an aromatic herb, it holds its flavor really well when it's dried. So we have some big stems here, and we're going to do them opposite the way they're on the stem. See how they'll come off real easy that way? Keep them whole as much as you can. Of course, it's like, you know, you're going to crumble them up really good before you put them in whatever you're cooking, because if you don't, it's going to feel like you got a mouthful of pine needles, because they're really, really coarse and tough. So you want to chop them up really good. Oh yeah, boy, it smells real good. I love rosemary. It's got a really, really strong smell. It's good in bread. It's good to put it on tenderloin when you bake it, or make some dipping oil, flavored oil, all kind of wonderful things you can do with rosemary. It's a great bee plant. So here we go. We've got quite a bit. So we're going to keep the little leaves and needles whole and put it in a nice little jar with a tight fitting lid and keep it in a dark, dry place.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.